This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Charming and desirable town home located minutes from the beaches, Atlantic Ocean, boat ramps and downtown areas, offers easy Florida living. Inside, the living room and kitchen have tile floor coverings, built-in shelves and additional storage under the stairs. Kitchen/bathrooms boast granite countertops and are super clean. The primary bathroom has a renovated step-in shower, dual sinks and walk-in closet. The covered outside patio/sunroom space has lovely pond and fountain views. This property is easy to show and is a must-see. Additional features: roof is 2021, one-car garage with extra parking in the driveway and spacious bedrooms. Holly Creek offers affordable association fees, large community pool, pickleball/tennis courts and clubhouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.